Next time your bit goes dull, use one with a little more punch. Give Drill America's Cobalt drills a spin. Drill America Cobalt drills are manufactured to National Aerospace Standard 907. Drill America Cobalt drill bits display high red hardness, permitting speeds up to 30% greater than with conventional M2 high-speed steel. Drill America Cobalt drills are especially effective in drilling tough, high-strength materials like stainless steel and titanium. Drill America Cobalt drills are heavy-duty for industrial use. They are surface-treated with gold oxide to increase durability and hardness. These drills won't go walking on you. Cobalt drills have a 135-degree split point tip for self-centering and reducing thrust. The self-centering point will stay put while you drill forward. Drill America Cobalt drills are available in jobber, extra long, and screw machine lengths, or with a reduced shank.
I use the Impact Tough bits for everything.
Oh, the bit, it works really good.
I don't know what they're made of, but they're working great.
These Impact Tough bits are probably the best bits I've worked with so far.
The drill bits with that impact, you don't get a tight grip and then you're jerking. It's a smooth, it's kind of chipping away as it goes down. It's a good system.
Even if it's a heavy gauge metal, it works really good.
Well, a bad bit, it skips and it skims across the surface if you're working with sheet metal. They'll end up falling out of your drill bit motor. It's just a nightmare.
There's many types of screws in the industry, whether it was zinc, drywall, a deck screw of any kind. This tip did not break, it did not strip the screws and fit everything precisely.
This really surprised me because of how skinny it is. I thought it was really going to snap.
Especially when you're drilling a 3-inch screw and you have a lot of torque on that thing. You hit something, that bit breaks off, then you're screwed. You go get another one.
A lot of times the bits, you get them in there and then they'll, especially impact, they'll bounce out sometimes and you end up stripping that bit. And these bits don't do that.
The Impact Tough bit is the most durable bit I've ever used. It lasts the longest, it holds the screw better, and it looks pretty good too.
The skinny little Bosch bit that doesn't break.
Yeah, I'm happy with this. I wish I can get like 50 of these ones.